All right, friends, to get started, let's use a plastic trim tool. We're going to come right underneath this edge right here, pry. We'll get this right out of the way. Let's continue on by popping this off as well. Set this aside. Now we're going to pop this front panel off. You're just going to notice you have some little clips. Basically just pop it right out of the existing plates that are there. Behind that, you're going to see a T20 screw. Go ahead and remove that. At this point, we can grab onto this. We'll give it a nice little tug. Now that we have that pulled a little bit, just continue on so you can get a nice amount of room behind here. Once you're behind there, you can pull up on these tabs and push on the switch, and that's going to unsecure it from the paneling here. There's our switch. Go ahead and grab this tab. There it is, friends. All right, friends, now it's time to install our brand new seat switch. We're going to connect it in. I'm just going to give it a little test. My seat moves as it should. This is great. Let's continue on by installing it into the back of this plate. If you just push it, it should want to click in. You just want to make sure it's completely clipped in, so that way there, if you go to push on this, it's not going to push the switch back out. Once you know that you have it secured, let's continue on by resecuring this paneling. There we are. I've got the bottom clipped in. The top looks like it's clipped in pretty well. Let's continue on by putting in our little bolt. There we are. Let's get this piece back in here. Make sure it's secured. All right, let's get this on there. It's just going to press right in, listen for a click. There we are. Make sure it functions. Make sure it's definitely not falling off of there. Good to go. Let's get this plate back on there. Remember, we got all our little clips. You want to make sure you line those up with their corresponding holes. There we are.